Cái này nha, sẽ chơi cái này.
Hello, enjoy shopping. Thank you. Ada. So how we can't go to the rooftop? We can't go.
What we said, we'll come another night. Maybe tomorrow. You're not working tomorrow, are you?
No.
Come at 4 o'clock.
Yeah. Guys, ang mamahal ng mga ano dito tinda, mga puro mga branded. Where do we go? Where do we go? Are you going to buy me a bag, Hermes? If you want to buy me, no, I don't like it. You might like to buy me Hermes or Balenciaga. No thanks. I don't accept it. Or Burberry. There. Or Celine. There.
Where?
Celine.
Celine.
Celine brand. You know, all branded is Porsche. Burberry. No thanks. No, don't need to buy me that kind of stuff. It don't fit me. It don't suit me. Oh my God. Martin wants to buy me a Balenciaga, but I said no thanks. I don't need it. It don't suit me. Jimmy Choo. Ang gaganda guys. Pero mga branded. I like that one. Lipstick.
Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo. Very nice. Fendi. I'm looking only for the Guess. There's no Guess anymore here. Before they used to have the Guess shop here. Yeah, I used to buy here the Guess because it's not so expensive. It's just, you know, it's just in the middle. No more Guess here. Puro lang talagang mga branded. Ang ganda guys. So pinapasyal namin guys itong ating mga bisita. Ayan yung parang ano, kanal. Ano ba yun? Parang sa Italy. Ayan guys. Ang ganda dito talaga. Long distance. I think the guest is over there. Let me see.
You can go up.
Guest is over there. That side. I want to see. Nahanap ko yung guest. Dito guys. Guest shop. Ay naman yung Longchamp. Hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. Pero gusto ko yung guest. Kasi guys, hindi siya masyadong mahal. And gustong gusto ko talaga yung guest. Na mga slippers, ganon, mga sandals. And yun ang gusto ko. Oh no, wala. Kate Spade, Swarovski, Club Monaco. Ayan na, ganyan guys. Pandora, Angelina. Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands. Ay, talagang wala ng ano guys. Wala na talaga yung guest dito. Wala na talaga yung guest. Yung guest ang hinahanap ko guys. Kasi gusto ko yung mga sandals nila. Mga chinelas. Hinahanap ko talaga yun. Ayan. Mga gold. Passion. Mahal yan. Gusto ko. Ah, Charles & Kate naman yun. Ayoko ng Charles & Kate. Kasi guys, yung Charles & Kate is pang malapad kasi yung paa. Kaya hindi pwede ako magsandal ng Charles & Kate. Ay, okay. Kasi wide yung aking paa. Ito. Echo. Wala naman silang mga high heels dito. Nagagalit na yung kasama ko. Nawarin ko sila. Magtingin lang ako ng yung gold na sandal. Kung meron. Dito sa Charles & Kate. Pero parang wala. Wala akong gusto. Wala dito yung style na gusto ko guys. Wala. Wala talaga akong chance makabili ng sandal. Meron na ako niyan. Ayun. Wala akong gusto dito. So, ayan. Palabas na ako, guys. Nahanap na ako ng mga kasama ko. Ito yung parang kanal, guys. Ayun yun, hinahanap ako ng bossing ko. Yan naman yung dalawang kasama. Hindi nila alam nandito ako. Oh my goodness. Kit ako dyan. Ito guys, parang ano, sa Italy. pala ang dragon natin, oh guys. Yung dragon na malaki. Ayun pala yung dragon, guys, oh. Hinahanap ako na. Ayan, sila, guys. Ang gaganda ng mga ano dito. Wala na akong, hindi ko na nakita yung guest. Wala na talaga. Ito naman passion. Pero wala dyan yung gusto kong sandal. No, I don't like them. I've been there. I've been there. Kami magpasyal dito, guys. How many times nang pumunta ako dito. During our guest is coming.
Looking over here, I want you to know about it.
And yes, meron din dito live band. Kala nyo, ha? Ito yung dati noon, walang view. Ito lang noon. Ngayon meron ng ano, nilagay-lagay. I think meron ano dito, ah. Parang meron party dito. Ayan, oh.
He's on long of mine. A lot of one of our days mates. You know, Mark who? Mark.
Yeah. Good luck in it for the Chinese.
What, this fish?
А як мама дали?
No, tak palcami.
Так можна?
Teraz wrócisz.
Yan guys, ang galing nila mag-decorate, oh. Year of the Dragon. Wait. Year of the Dragon. Ay, ang haba nito, guys. Hinamad na akong mag-take ng bumalik doon.
This one.
Ayan pala yung ulo ni Dragon. Year of the Dragon. Ayan. Year of the Dragon. Ayan guys. Yun yung ulo. Ayan pala yung mukha ng dragon na. Diba? Ang ganda.
Yeah, can you imagine though, Mark, there was flies and mosquitoes. You've eaten them, haven't you?
Oh yeah.
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 People will be gone.
Yeah. She's ready.
But when they kill it all, they must kill a lot of other stuff.
Should we walk past the front of this and then round that side and then we